Good morning guys. It is, anong oras na ba? 8:47. Ayun, nakaligo na ako. And kagabi, madaling araw na kami nakauwi kanina. And nakapag-impake na ako bago ako naligo. Kasi today yung check-out natin. Uwi na tayo guys. So, nag-transfer lang ako dito.
We haven't even got.
I know, but we have to, Baba, because we have school now. So, mag-prepare lang kami dito kasi i-hook na ni Jan tong caravan sa car. Ina-off niya na rin yung ref. Today is April 30. Oh my God. Tapos na naman ang ating April.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, guys. Today we're going home.
We're going home
But we're
na.
gonna have a few stops to eat and
Yes.
go toilet.
Andun na si Joe. Ayan na. And si John. Hindi nyo kita. Naka-off na yung caravan natin. And yeah. It's time to go. Good luck, babe. Love you. Si Kuya nandun pala siya. Ginaguide niya si Daddy. Ayan si Kuya. Ayan na. Okay na. Good morning, Kuya.
Morning.
Yeah, where are you? Morning.
Morning.
Freaking do it every time.
What's that, babe?
Mirrors.
Oh yeah. Hindi naka-extend yung mirror niya. So ayan, baba ulit siya. Okay. Ang daming caravans na nag-check out.
No,
And
that open automatically, Dad.
Yeah.
si Jan, ayan, ida-drop off lang yung mga card. Ayan, nakalabas na tayo sa gate. And si Kuya, eto guys yung in-order namin na currency kagabi na hindi namin naubos ng girls. So yung mga tira nila kasi kinagatan lang. Ayan. Oh.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that one.
Have a bite.
Yeah,
Have a bite.
ayan. Maanghang ha, spicy, very spicy. So ayan, tira ni
I got water, man.
Tita Mers.
So Jay, run outside the thing so I can click.
Go Kuya.
No.
Andaran si Kuya. Good?
Alright,
Spicy?
just walk with me to the corner. Quick, go.
No, you don't like it. Maanghang to eh. Oh, what's the... Wala nang laman. Pastry na lang. Tapos, eto yung tira ko. So,
Get in.
at least makakain. Hindi na sayang. You like it, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, good. Ayan yung, tingnan nyo yung airplane, yung Singapore Airlines.
Hot cold, whisper gently saying you don't know how to keep on trying. It shows something's changing in me. It shows now I'm hardly breathing. There's no guideline, way to go. Like a moment.
First stop, Thailand. Kuha tayo ng breakfast dito guys. Yung ano nila, yung egg and bacon masarap dito guys. Egg and bacon masarap. There's no bacon and egg. Wala.
Yes.
What do you get, Zach?
No, that's
Chicken.
Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar. How about you, Baba? What you got, Baba?
I got chicken.
Can I have a piece?
Yeah.
Does that remember you go to get?
Wait,
You gonna get some?
Mum wants
sushi?
some.
Mum wants.
Oh yeah, I'm getting sushi, so.
Had some.
Okay.
You want one?
No, I'm good now. Thank you.
I'm gonna save for sushi.
Yeah.
I shouldn't have got anything.
Oh, you can eat later. Ito sa akin yung kinuha ni Jo.
Hold this for me, please, for a second.
My God, ang dami naman ito, Baba. This is a lot. Wawalang boses ko, guys. Parang ako naman ang sing. What Daddy got? Looks nice. Andun sila, oh. Ang daming trucks. Ang tagal namin makarating dito. Ang bagal ng patakbo namin kasi ang daming trucks. Okay, kain muna tayo guys. Ang paos na ako. Parang ako talang kumanta kagabi. Where's my tali? I have my tali. I have my tali. What do you want, Ollie? Here. Here's your food,
Thinking about what?
Kain tayo guys. Ang dry? Para siyang chicken, siya guys, chicken nugget. Para siyang sponge. Tingnan nyo. May footy training pala ang mga bata pag uwi natin guys. What time is your footy kuya? 4? 4:45 yung footy. So, dapat makauwi tayo before.
We're getting home at 3:30.
No, you won't.
Oh, what time is it? What time is it now? What time is it? Ano na guys, 10:52. Nawawala-wala talang boses ko. Yung mga adults andoon.
I think this one's the best flavored Gatorade.
What?
Green apple.
Umuwi kami, di ba? Anong oras na yun? Mga 2:30 na yata. Tapos, ginising ko ni Jan maaga. Kasi, magpapak ng ng caravan. So, nagpack pa ako sa caravan. Bago ako naligo. Tapos, yun, parang, tapos, syempre, mag-i-edit tayo. So, tapos na kami kumain. Alis na tayo.
Oh, they like that, right?
Oh, dry. It was
What's
dry.
this?
Oh, it's finished. Si Kuya nakahalos nakaubos. What did you say, Zach? Did you say what's wrong with what?
What's wrong with your voice?
My voice. Oh, because I had a concert last night. Yes, Zach. Hi, Zach. No, I just been shouting, Zach. Kasi nga yung boses ko, guys. So, parang ako talagang kumanta kagabi. Okay. On the road ulit tayo, guys. What? Second stop, dito kami sa Keith. Si Kuya gustong kumuha ng sushi. So, baka kumuha rin tayong chicken para ulam mamaya. Ayan. Do they have teriyaki?
Nope.
Okay. Okay, get one, yeah. Ayan, kumuha ko ng bargain box. Dito si Jen, nakabayad na ako and si Holland papabili sa daddy niya. Yan. Laro na may lollies. Hindi ko yan binili. And andito ang daddy, binili. Mauna na sila para kumain ng sushi. Yeah. Sak, no, you don't need that. Hintay ko lang yung chips. Ayan na yung ating bargain box. So, dito na ulit tayo sa car. Ayan yung bargain box. Yan yung dinner namin mamaya. And meron tayo ditong chips. Kakainin ko yan now. And ayun si Kuya. Sarap na siya dyan sa kanyang kinakain. Dati ayaw niya yan. Where's your Saki? You don't want it? You're full.
No, there was a bay on it.
Whatever.
There was.
How come?
No. I was eating it, and then the bee went on there. So, and then I didn't want to get stung, so I dropped it.
So, but that one it's alright?
This one?
Yeah.
No.
So, what you gonna do with that one? It's a waste.
Not rotten. Look.
What do you mean it's rotten? Well, you have to ask them to
No,
change it.
It dropped.
You drop it.
No, because the bee was on it.
My God, so
No,
put in the bin, put in the bin.
Where?
Na-drop niya
Where?
daw, kaya pala maalikabok na.
I know them.
sus, hinuhugasan niya yung paa ng mga anak niya kasi maalikabok. Kachinelas kasi sila. So, alis na ulit tayo after nyan.
Got drink for TJ?
I got water here. And then,
Hurry up.
ayun na si Joe. Una na siya. Sunod tayo. Guys, katapos lang namin magpagas dito sa Narako sa may OTR. And si Sam, kumuha na siya ng takis. Kuya, Haribo, Oli.
Warheads.
Ha?
Warheads.
Warhead.
Yeah, you love these, Mom. Don't you like these? You love these, Mom.
What's the egg? Can I try the egg?
So, ito na yung third
Yeah,
stop natin.
How you going, Chona?
Good, Joe.
I'm gonna stretch.
We're off again, guys. And si Sophie, iwasag mo na siya papunta sa car nila.
Hot cold, whisper gently saying you don't know how to keep on trying. It shows something's changing in me. It shows now I'm hardly breathing. There's no other way to go. Like a Rona without a goal. That goes till us be baby got this. Now be baby got this. Ooh, 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 ooh. But we both know. So why can't we just give it a go? Step back to like we don't know. 'Cause when with you, everything start making sense. The worries I've been stuck within bed, turning into fire and flames. And maybe I was a little lost, hoping that the night come along. But then again I wouldn't have known that heaven was mine after all. Daylight, I think I understand now why I was so faithful. You love in my dreams, told me while I was sleeping, all of this for free. Yeah, 'cause there's no other way to go. Move like a Roman without a goal. And our backbones tell us, be baby, got this. Now, be baby, got this. 'Cause when with you, everything start making sense. The worries I've been stuck with in bed, and turning into fire and flames. And maybe I was a little lost, hoping that the night come along. But then again I wouldn't have known that heaven was mine after all. But we both know.
Last stop, ayan, nililinis na nila yung car. Nasa Tarpina na tayo, guys.
No, there's another stop.
Where? No,
At home.
I know. Ayan. Naglilinis na sila. And yung mga adults, ay, si Kobe pa yan. Hi. Kick sila ng footy. Kinuha ni Kobe yung footy dito sa car. Lumabas ako. Oops. Vlogging niyo, kuya. Malamig. Ito na yung last stop natin.
Don't hit your mum. There we go.
It's too long.
Yeah, we'll sort of blow. Yeah, looks like a bit of rain and stuff. Kids,
See you, Joey.
Are we going now?
Yeah. Dire-diretso na tayo, guys. Uwi na. So, see ya, good Joey. Bye.
No, I'll see.
Yeah, you will see them in the foodie training.
Yeah.
May kikita sila sa foodie training.
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe two. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow I'll let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. I keep repeating the same mistakes. I did them all before.
Bahay na tayo, guys. Ando na si Kuya. Igagad niya si Daddy para mapark natin tong caravan kung saan natin siya kinuha before. And yung dalawa, nando na sa bahay. Bumaba na. Ang cute ni Kuya. Andun siya sa camera. Ayan si Kuya. That's enough time. So, ayan na si Kuya. Kunin niya na yung ibang gamit. And,
Chucks in, mate.
and ayan si Daddy.
Sweet.
I-on nyo na yung heater kasi ang lamig. Ayan nga yung dinner natin mamaya namin. Pag-upload na ako, guys. And alis na sila. Kuya, magti-training sila. See you. Love you. Ayan, 4:06 na. Love you too. See you. So, pahinga lang ako. Gusto ko nang matulog. Nagsaing na rin akong kanin para mamaya meron silang kakainin. See ya! Si Kuya. Time check, 5 o'clock na. Eto na yung rice natin. Gutom na raw si Holly. Pakainin ko na siya. Subukan ko lang siya, guys. Baba, get plate, baby. Please. So, kain na kaming dalawa. Nawawala talaga ang boses ko. Guys, yung aking naiwan na chicken. Ayan. No, this is not good no, Baba. Yung chicken tsaka yung... Yes, and then yung Brussels sprout and yung beans. Ayan, so tatanggalin ko na yan dito. Ngayon, hinahanap ko yung laing. Andito pala yung laing. Kain ako ng laing. Ang sarap nito, guys. Tinda ko din to. Ayan, pero ako makakaubos kasi ang sarap din nito. So, yan, tatanggalin ko yan mamaya. Ayan, laing. Mag-init akong laing. So, ito yung laing. Initin natin. Ayan, guys. Nagsisisling pa yung ating ininit na laing. And, nagtimpla akong berry glow. Yung chicken natin dito, pili tayo. Ayan, susubukan ko lang si Holly. Ayan, di ba? May kagat na. Tinikman ko yan kanina.
Kain.
Ang dilim, diba? So, pakainin ko muna to. Hindi nila to magugustuhan na rice kasi hindi siya yung jasmine rice. Pero, tiyagaan na nila. Kasi, di ba, naubusan tayo ng rice. Di ako nakabili nung last time. Nakalimutan ko. Kainin ko muna to. And yung laing natin. Si Oli, do you wanna try? No? Hindi siya ma-appeal sa kanyang
Can
mata.
you get all of it off the spoon?
Okay, get another spoon din. Ayaw niya tong spoon kasi ginamit ko na sa laing. Sarap. Guys, ayan, naubos ko yung laing. Yung unang nakita niyong kanin, bumalik kay ni Holly, nakadalawa kami. Tapos eto, pangatlo, ako tapos na kay Holly na to. Sabi ko, kung gusto mo pa,
Thank you, Mom.
kuhaan kita. Pero sabi niya siya na raw kakain. Mag-isa kasi. Tapos na nga ako. Do you want me to feed you?
That's right.
Alright. And, ayan. Maubos ko na yung berry glow. Ang sarap ng laing. Dito na yung boys. And, nilagyan ko na sila ng rice and chicken. There's more chicken there. Wash it. Yeah. Nagugas na sila ng kamay. That rice is not jasmine rice.
What is it?
Basmati rice like I had in the restaurant last night, the other night.
So dry.
Ayaw nila yan eh. Is it freezing? Freezing?
Boogie!
Guys, naligo ulit ako. Yung ano lang, yung katawan ko. And,
We're still hungry.
you still hungry?
Yeah, after we finish this.
Oh my God. Alright guys, i-close ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin for today. Gusto ko na matulog. Thank you. Thank you. And wala na tayong boses. Oh, yan. Ano yun? Yung alarm namin sa smoke. Okay guys, thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night.
Cause I think I do want